Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to make this the final episode for the high pressure fuel pump for the MK5 Golf. Fingers crossed. Alright, let's do it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with my uploads. That being said, let's get into it. Alright, so what we're going to do is actually swap all the internal parts, mechanical parts, from the old one to the new one, and we're going to keep the new sensor because it's the sensor at the moment that's having the issue. So hopefully if I change over all the internal stuff from the old one, we should have it running and it should be able to go over the 3000 RPM and keep going. So we'll pull that apart again and get that back in. I don't think I'll show you, but we'll see, hopefully. Alright, so that's all the new one. Old, new housing. New sensor. So everything else, even the top, is the old one. I'm not sure what that is, but it's got to do with something. So I swapped that over. So let's get this back in. Alright guys, it's all back together. So the new pump has the old pump's internals, mechanical internals, and we've got the new sensor. So see how it is. No good. So at the moment I've got the new housing, new sensor, old internals, and it ran like crap. When it did get above 3000, no power. So I'm guessing that's the sensor. I must have done a dodgy to me. So it was running like crap like it was before, so maybe while I've got the other one out, I'll put all the new stuff in the old housing. Maybe that might fix it. Alright, so I'm gonna go do Christmas tree, have dinner. This is going to the gym. I'll come out later tonight and I'll work on that. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but I'll pack up my stuff. I'll give it one more try. So everything's opposite. So also I put the hard line over one of the vacuum lines and it doesn't fit very well. So it's going to do my head in, so I've got to fix that as well. So what's the time now? 5:40. So getting everything off, getting everything back on, going for a test drive. It was about 45 minutes. So I'm getting quick. Alright boys, just had dinner. It's 7:36. Let's see how long it'll take me. There we go, 7:59. Just gonna start up, see if there's a leak, and then I'll go for a drive. Well, that didn't go as planned. It's just the same as before, so maybe it's not the fuel pump. What? Bad fuel? still on the same tank as everything happened. I've changed the filter. I haven't changed the fuel pump, but that wouldn't be running without the fuel pump, the one that's in the tank. Even Marley knows that it sounds different. The exhaust has changed. I don't know. It's weird.
Day 2.
Alright guys, here is my theory, and I think I'm right. I woke up this morning, I'm like, you idiot, camshaft position sensor. It comes up permanent. Even if you clear it, start the car, bam, it's there. So, again, it's not running very well. Even Marley goes, oh, it sounds different. The exhaust sounds louder. I'm like, camshaft's moved. Chain has stretched. The timing chain has stretched. Pretty damn sure. And every time I'm trying to start it, it's that far out now, it's not even starting. So I was actually going to take it over to the original Harrods garage, to my dad's place, and get him to have a look at it in there, because I don't have any time to work on this now because of that. So I was going to palm it off to him, but now it won't even move from out the front there. So I'll give him a call, see what he wants to do. Might have to come over here and do it outside, but the weather's not that great. Yeah, there's a couple of inspection plates on the gearbox side of the heads that you can pop off, and you can see the cam timing. If they're not pointing down towards each other at 45 degrees, you know that your timing's out, and it's time to get a new timing chain and tensioner. It's a tensioner that does it. It can go out, but it can go back in too. So yeah, common fault, I believe. It's got 170,000 Ks on it. I don't know if the chain's been done yet. Apparently they are supposed to be done at 100. So yeah, I'll give him a call and see what the go is. But yeah, definitely it's timing, and just going out for the drives has actually made it worse. So yeah, she's not starting now. Anyway, I need to get back onto this Forester. Alrighty guys, I'm going to wrap this episode up here because the Golf is no longer here. Palmed it off to my dad to fix, mainly because the time that I get home, I just don't have the time to be working on the Golf outside, and it's been raining a lot, and he's got room in his garage to do it. And I want to get back onto the Forester, get it all back together. I'm going to be pushing it to get this done by Christmas now. But yeah, we have come to the conclusion that timing is out. The chain has stretched, and yeah, it's jumped a tooth or two. So yeah, I checked the cam timing on the back side of the engine. I'm pretty sure I got to top dead center on cylinder 4, and it was looked like it was 180 out, but we'll definitely confirm it next episode on the Golf, which will hopefully be when it's fixed. Hopefully my dad can get that done as soon as possible, definitely before Christmas. Anyway, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode where I've got some massive awesome news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.